We'd like to thank Royal Gourmet for sponsoring this video. It's like, what, 1,000,000 here today?
Yeah.
It's like 1,000,000 degrees in Florida. Summertime. Summertime means dogs. And she likes Italian sausage dogs.
I'm excited.
So we're going to do these on the Royal Gourmet Griddle today. We're going to griddle up these Italian sausages. We got some veggies that's going to go on them, including some jalapeno. And then we're going to make up a spicy mayo. Let's get this cook going. I'm going to cut up 1 red bell pepper in thin slices, followed by 1 green bell pepper. Now I've got 1 yellow pepper. For these mild peppers, you'll want to cut them all up into thin slices. Let's get this yellow pepper out of the way. Start on this jalapeno. For the jalapeno, I do like to cut it up into much smaller pieces than the mild peppers. We'll cut this sweet onion into thin slices as well. Then cut all the slices in half. Separate the slices, and we've got our veggies prepped. To this 2/3 cup of mayo, I'm adding about 4 tablespoons or so of sriracha, 1 teaspoon dried garlic powder, maybe 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, pinch of salt. Give this sriracha mayo a good stir to blend everything together nicely. I don't think it's pink enough for me, so let's add another tablespoon or so of sriracha. You can place this in the fridge until you're ready for it. Here I've got 1 block of Parmesan cheese to shred up. Hey, don't buy that prepackaged stuff. It's got some sort of a coating on it that prevents it from melting nicely. Now I'm shredding up a block of cheddar. You're not going to need all of this cheese for this recipe, but I'll use the leftover cheese this week in tacos. Hey, use whatever cheese you prefer. Have some fun with this recipe. We've got all of our cheese shredded up. So let's get this Royal Gourmet Griddle going. Let's check our temp. See, we're right at 350. That's about the middle. If we come down here, we're up around 400. I've got these 2 farmost burners turned off. Let's lay a little oil down and get some veggies on here. It's going to come in. A little garlic powder on everything. Garlic, kind of like bacon, makes everything better. Veggies are nice and soft. Those onions are getting caramelized. I'm going to take them down here, put them off the heat. 5 Italian sausage dogs. We'll lay down just a little bit of oil. Just want to put a little space in between each one. So these sausages are about done. We're going to bring them down here where it's a little bit cooler, not as hot. Now we're going to take those veggies we made, put them on there. You put on as many as you want. Now I got some of that mozzarella, a little of that cheddar. Use whatever cheese you want. Then I'm going to come back in with that mozzarella. And now we just want that cheese to melt. We're going to put our dome on there. Now that cheese is melting. I've got some buttered up, I think these are potato buns. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, look at that and good melted cheese. Just gonna come in here, get ready to serve these up. Got our sausage dogs, those buns. You know, we had some extra veggies, so if you want some of those, you can put a few more veggies on there. Now we're gonna come back in with some of that sriracha mayo. And I've got just a little parsley. Tell me you don't want one of those. Sausage dogs, I gotta tell you, I am so ready to try one of these loaded sausages. Look at his back.
This looks yummy.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Get you one.
Okay.
It's gonna be kind of hard to cheers on this one.
Okay.
There you go. Cheers.
Oh, that's delicious. Yummy.
Delicious Italian sausage, those peppers, and that sriracha mayo.
Oh, is that what that is?
Yeah,
Delicious.
I made sriracha mayo.
I'm impressed.
And it's kind of
Really
cold or cool. It just sort of offsets all that heat.
Yum.
This is a dog for summer. Hey, thanks so much for watching.
My hair.